gonna slay spring. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am ready for spring. I love this spring makeup look. Yellow, pinks, peaches, shimmer. If you love all those things like me, let's get into this tutorial. Before we get into the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be part of the Dom fam. And at that point, we're basically besties. And without further ado, let's get into this video. I don't know if it's spring yet, but we are gonna do a little spring makeup tutorial, and I'm so excited to get into it because there's so much new makeup here that I cannot wait to share with you guys. I have my floral earrings here from Revolve. This is from the brand Lovers and Friends. I actually love this brand for accessories and clothing. While we're at it, my top is from House of CB. Nails are from Olive and June. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. I cannot wait. Let me just show you guys what I do before I literally do any makeup on my face. This is Satin Rouge by Dominique. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, swirl it around on the brush. It'll give you the softest, even flush of color. I do this if I'm not wearing any makeup. It's also very hydrating. There's so much new makeup. Glow Recipe just came out with a Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Rosy Glow Drop. So you know the original OG one? That is so nice. I love that one. But now there is a Rosy Glow version. Hold on, let me get closer. Swatch it on my hand just so you can see up close. How gorgeous is that? I'm gonna take it on my hand. It has like a rose gold hue to it, and I'm gonna apply it over everything. It is so nourishing. I love the scent. Watermelon is my favorite. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, which is my favorite. I don't really like hard candy, but if I had to choose one, it would be a watermelon Jolly Rancher. It smells so good and it looks really pretty. The thing I like about this is that it works well with makeup. I'm gonna let that sit for a bit and then I'm gonna put on mascara. I've kind of been into matchas lately. I don't know why. I don't know what's happening. If it's changing my personality. Is it changing my personality? I feel less jittery, but I still feel the energy. I actually don't drink coffee for the energy. I only drink it for the vibes. And the taste. The taste of sweet coffee I could do, but the energy I could do without. I like it a lot. So while that's happening, I'm gonna put on this mascara that I got from Thrive Cosmetics. My mom has been raving about this mascara to me for years. She's like, Kristen, this is the best mascara that you will try. It's a tubing mascara and I've tried it before, but for some reason, I haven't picked it up in a while. I recently got it in and I got it in brown and I got it in black and a few other colors, but I tried it in brown and it is so stunning. I feel like brown is just so flattering, especially if you have brown eyes. In the spring, oh, you need to try this. The thing about this is that it's a tubing mascara, so it wraps around your lash, pulls it out, and you get so much extension. But throughout the day, you're not gonna have any smudging, smearing, or you know when it crumbles when it's too dry and you get the flakes? It doesn't do that. I've been obsessed, so thank you, Mom. Next thing that we're gonna do is put on a primer. The primer is going to grip your makeup. This is Moisture Grip from Dominique. I like it because it also gives you a glassy skin finish. It's literal glass on top of this Rosy Glow Dewdrop. It's gonna look so much more glassier and you're gonna feel this soft plump over your skin. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. You do have to let it sit for like 30 seconds before you feel the grip, so don't just go in with your foundation right away. Invest in a little baby fan. It helps everything dry down quicker, but you can see how it grips your makeup. That's what your makeup's gonna do. It's just gonna cling to your skin and it won't move. It glides evenly. I love it. Anyways, if you want glass skin and your makeup to grip to your face all day, you're gonna wanna get the Dominique Moisture Grip. I'm gonna go in with this. This is from MAC. It's the Strobe Cream, but this one has like a lilac rosy shift to it. It is so perfect for spring, you guys. And I'm just gonna take it and press it over my skin to give me this pretty lilac shift. Also, if you have dull skin, this makeup prep that I'm doing right now is going to be beautiful for you in the spring. It's gonna just make you happy. When you look at your face, you're gonna be like, oh my God, I love it. Okay, your skin for spring is going to be the Milk Hydro Grip Gel Tint. So this is a skin tint and it has great coverage. It reminds me so much of Tower 28. I'll apply it with my 115 BK Beauty brush. but your skin looks like skin. It just looks so hydrated, glowy, and pretty. Okay, for someone who has very dry skin, it's my new favorite skin tint. For the under eyes, I love a good corrector. I've been using this corrector from Bobbi Brown. This is Light Peach. Sometimes I'll use the dark peach one, but I'm gonna use Light Peach today, and it has great coverage. It almost feels like it could be its own concealer. You can use it on its own for sure, but I like to correct before I go in with my concealer. It's waterproof, so it doesn't move around. It's just a good base. So anywhere I have like darkness or discoloration, I'll put this Bobbi Brown corrector stick first. And then I'm gonna go in with my Dominique concealer. This is the shade Almond Milk, and I'll go right on top. But I won't bring it as close as I did the Bobbi Brown corrector. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, especially up close to your eye, try to avoid putting your concealer directly on top of that, because it's just gonna fall into the creases and create this crease that you're not gonna like. Look at that slant. It's the perfect placement for application. It blends so easy without using a sponge. Bring that past my eye to give me a little bit of a lift. I'll bring it around my mouth and right through the chin. More of a brightening type of concealer. Once it comes to spring, summer, I really like to brighten. I was doing more of an even tone for winter and fall. I think it's time to brighten up the skin again. A little here. This is the new Anastasia Contour stick. This is called Shadow. The packaging is beautiful. Oh my gosh. A little something right here. Close in this area right here. Just make it a little less wide. And then I'll also do some in here and through here. And let's try that out. I'm not gonna contour all over my face. This also feels very creamy. It's supposed to blur the skin too, which is great. I'm gonna do something lighter. This is a new stick that just came out from Physicians Formula. It's called Butter Glow and Go. And this one has a blush at the end. This is the bronzer shade, which I think is really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and use just the bronzer shade because I have so many new, this could actually be a contour shade. But I have so many new blushes to try. I'm gonna skip the blush, maybe use it another day because it is a pretty color. But I just want to try this bronze on here. So pretty. You see the difference between the contour and the bronze? I'm gonna blend out with this House Labs brush around the nose. Ooh, it is so creamy. Now that is a contour stick. And this brush blends everything. I don't know if it's like the combination of the brush and the formula, but it's blending like a buttery dream. I really like it. So good. Let's try to blend this. I know it's a bigger area, but it may take us a little bit more time. Oh yeah, this is perfect. That color is stunning. I'll have the color listed in the description, but I'll also tag them. You know how you can tag products on YouTube? So I've been doing that. I'll tag the product, but the color's not always, I feel like sometimes you can't find the color. So I'll list it in the description for you guys, the color that I use. How pretty does that look? That is spring skin if I've ever seen one. So I'm gonna go in with this new blush. This is from Pure. I haven't seen a product from Pure in ages that I've tried. So this one is really pretty. It's called Sparkling Rose. And it has this beautiful shimmer all over it. So pretty. The sparkle is very subtle. I'm gonna take that on my IT Cosmetics number 7 brush and work that on the cheeks. So pretty. And it's gonna be like a sheer, very sheer soft of sparkle. I wanna put it on the back of my hand first so it can get evenly distributed on the brush. And when you pop it on your skin, it's gonna go on so much more airbrushed. I'm gonna drape it across my forehead and a little bit into my eye. That is so stunning. Oh my God. I'm obsessed. This is like glass spring skin. I think that's what I might call this video. But look at this. I love it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm obsessed. Next, I'm gonna be going in with the House Labs. This glassy pink opal is so stunning. You can see I already used it so many times, like I pushed it down a lot. But I'm gonna take it as if I need any more, but I'm gonna take it on the high points of my face just for an added intentional shimmer. I have not tried this yet. I feel like I'm the only one who hasn't tried it. If you haven't tried it, let's try it together today. This is the Kosas new Cloud Set in the shade Candy, and I love me a pink brightening eye. I'm just gonna work it all over this 110 brush from BK Beauty and then pack it on my hand just so it doesn't get blotchy. Always pop the powder in under your eye first just to push through those fine lines and smooth out the area before you go in with a beauty sponge, or you can just do this if you want something light and fresh. Ooh, this smells like candy. It smells like cotton candy. That is really smoothing. I really like that. That looks really good. I'm gonna press it into my eyes just so we can prep the eye for eyeshadow. If I'm really gonna do eyeshadow, I like to do an eyeshadow base, but today I'm just gonna leave it. Light Society came out with a bronzer, blurring bronzer powders. Oh, is it like a cream to powder, or it feels like a powder? It has to be like a cream to powder, but it's a very light color on the face. Okay, that is so pretty. I'm loving everything that I've used today, and a lot of it is new. It could have a little bit more pigment to it, but I also really appreciate that formula. It's just so soft and buttery. This peach blush from House. Rosette. This is French Rosette, and it'll be pretty to mix with the pink underneath. Over the nose. Okay, this is such a pretty mix. This is the Natasha Denona Bloom palette, which is always so stunning. Like, all those colors are perfect for spring. So I'm gonna go into that one. Take it into the socket. Oh, that is really, really pretty. I'm gonna take the shade Keen. It's like peachy color on the lower lash line. I'm gonna look straight and just, I'm gonna take this one. I don't know, it's called Floss. That on the brow bone. I mean, on the brow bone, on the crease bone. I guess this is like the outer V. I haven't done that in a while. The outer V, that is a term I haven't used in quite some time. I'm gonna take this shade Clover. It has a little bit more of a plum tone to it. I'm gonna create a baby wing with it. Oh my gosh, I have to show you this. This is a new MAC eyeshadow stick. It's called Gold Stud. It looks white, but the bottom, the shade identifier is yellow. Let's see if it shows on my camera. You can see the golden glow. Then we're gonna bring it in through this hollow area, bring it around like that. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty that is. Soften the edges of this eyeshadow stick. You need to try it. It's such a pretty little yellow spring eyeshadow stick that you need. These are the High Bun Lash from Ardell, but I added a tiny little lash underneath. It's a little bit more dense on the end. Some of this Ardell Lash Couture glue. While that's sitting, I want to try this new MAC Stack Elevated Mascara. Look at how pretty this mascara is. The design on it is so stunning, and the wand is really interesting. You see how it curves? Let's try that on our lower lash. Wow, I can't wait to try this on my upper lash because really got into every contour of my eye and grabbed the lash. I also want to thank you guys for leaving your recommendations in my last video. I was reading through and I'm like, okay, adding to my cart. But look at these lashes. I love them. They're so pretty and lifted. So I'm going to be using the Pillow Talk lip liner. Actually, it's Pillow Talk Medium from Charlotte Tilbury, but I really love this color on my lip. This is just such a pretty color. And then they also, Charlotte Tilbury came out with a really beautiful lipstick. Look at this lipstick. It has a little heart jewel at the end. It's called Kiss Talk, and it's this bright pink. It also has these heart imprints on it, which is super cute. I thought this pinky color would be perfect for spring. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this little combo. On top of that, I'm putting on this Naturium Phyto Glow lip balm, and I love all their lip balms, but now they have a shimmer one. Oh, it's like a thicker feel. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my god, you guys, let me get closer because the glow and the little glowy shimmer sparkles. Ah! Let me see, let me see. Super close, look at this. OMG. This is so pretty. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I love our time together. It's so therapeutic for me. You make me so freaking happy. Just all the support that I get from you. And those of you who are part of the Dom fam, you know who you are. I adore you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe so that we can be besties and we can see each other every single week. I also have 2 videos whenever they pop up on the side. Please check them out. And before I let you go, I just want to remind you guys that your beauty on the inside shines so bright. Give someone a compliment this week for me. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.